Hello guys, welcome back to IT Genius Cyber again in another tutorial, and today we are going to do something related to activating the Net Framework 3.5 in Windows 10. Most times in Windows 10 we usually have Net Framework starting from 4.0 up to 4.7 and above for all those who have it installed. So right here, if you try to check, okay, let me try to go back from 0. You go to file, you go to control panel, then go to programs. You will see uninstall a program, so choose that option, then find on your left where you're having turn Windows features on or off, then tap it. So you're having options of Net Framework 3.5, includes Net Framework 2.0 and 3.0, but this checkbox is not checked. So you only have Net Framework 4.7 advanced series. When you try to install different softwares, I'm assuming, let me try to have a software here. Okay, maybe you're installing this. It's going to request you to install Net Framework 3.5, of which you already have Net Framework 4.0 and above. In fact, I'm having 4.7 installed, but the one for Net Framework 3.0, it's inactive. And ever much you try to check all this, it won't be active unless when you're done with installing it. So let's try to install it from here. So I'll request you to follow my lead. I'm going to provide this folder in the description of the video, and all the downloads will be there, so feel free to find them from the description below. Okay, we are going to use two methods. There is a method of using CMD installation, then there is also a method of just using a specific folder, and you find a specific directory where you're going to put these sources, then create this folder and paste that file there. But let us try to start with this one option for using CMD. So within this folder that you're going to download under that link that I'm going to provide in the description of this video, you'll find this text file having Windows 10 Net Framework 3.5 installed, and it will direct you how to do all this. All what you have to do is to open it, then find where you're having this this command, because it's telling you clearly that installation of Net Framework 3.5 mode, download the zip and copy it into local disk C, open command prompt as administrator and paste the following command, this very command. Then after installation is complete, restart your PC, enable the other two options under the installed Net Framework in the control panel. As we went to the control panel previously, initially, when you press this plus option, it brings you that dialog list having the first checkbox plus the second checkbox, Windows Communication Foundation HTTP and etc. Then Windows Communication Foundation non-HTTP activation and etc. Also, this we're having Net Framework 4.7 advanced series. Under it you are having a list of ASP.NET 4.7, so you'll have to check this, and this plus the entire this after the installation is done. So let us try to install it. Okay, I'm assuming you've already copied this command like how I'm doing, or anyway. Right, you try to copy it, then we have to open command prompt as administrator. Sorry. You can open from here as an administrator, or you can go ahead and press Windows plus R. It brings that up, this this run window. So you type in CMD or command prompt shortcut CMD, still it will bring you the same stuff. But if this is giving you a time for pressing Windows R, then you can go ahead and type CMD, then right click it to bring you the options list, then select the very first option, run as administrator. So it brings that. Okay, so after that, then you have to paste the other command that we had copied, this entire command. So after copying it, then to paste in, the easy way to paste in command prompt is pressing the right click. You press the right click, it automatically pastes the thing there. But before you hit enter, make sure you already copied this file into the directory of C. So copy this, then go back to your computer, then local disk C, then paste it right here. Okay, give permissions to copy. After it is copied successfully, then go back here. If you have already pasted, then hit enter. All right, so here the installation is starting. If at all you have not pasted that this very file in local disk C, this won't happen and it won't install. So the very first step, in fact, is to paste this file there, this zipped file there, then copy the link and paste it in command prompt, then run. So what you have to do is to wait until this entire installation is done. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Genius Cyber. If you don't know how to subscribe, just go to your YouTube. Just go to your YouTube, and to find out more on IT Genius Cyber, then type IT Genius Cyber. Okay. All right. So after typing IT Genius Cyber, you will just subscribe to it. Or if you want to watch the videos along IT Genius Cyber, you'll be provided with a subscription option here. So you just hit subscribe, and that's all. Okay, let us see whether our installation is running. Only what you have to do is just be patient. Alright, it's done here. So enabling feature is 100% complete and the operation completed successfully, and that's all that you have to do. So here we are done. Okay, so what you have to do is to restart your PC, go back to turn on Windows features on. So if we try to check here, it's already having the checkbox checked already. So what you have to do, go here, then tap here, tap here. Also the ASP.NET 4.7 is already checked. So, and that's all. So just restart your PC and everything will be wow. Okay, applying changes. Okay, so it's indicating Windows completed the requested changes already. So let's close and tap power button and restart your PC. Alright, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe on IT Genius. Cyber.